Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best fire extinguisher for welding. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, Ougist ABC Fire Extinguisher. Fire emergencies strike fast. Are you truly prepared? Picture this: a sudden kitchen flare-up or car engine smoke. Meet the Ougist ABC Fire Extinguisher, your instant safety solution. No training needed, just grab and squeeze, no pin to pull. Patented quick release handle means zero fumbling in crisis. ABC rated, fights grease, electrical, and fuel fires effectively. Certified safe for kitchens, cars, boats, garages, and offices. Compact 2.5 lb size, fits under sinks, in trunks, or by stoves. Heavy duty steel body built to withstand real emergencies. High performance dry chemical formula stops fires fast. From teens to seniors, anyone can use it confidently. 2024 wildfires remind us, fire doesn't wait for anyone. Make it part of your home, car, or business safety kit. Don't hope for safety, prepare for it with Ougist. Act now. Protect what matters most before disaster strikes. Number 4, 2-pack fire extinguisher. Imagine a fire starting. Would you be ready in seconds? Meet Boom, the compact hero for kitchens, cars, and grills. Open, press, spray, fire gone. It's that simple. No heavy tanks, no complicated instructions, just instant action. Tackle wood, oil, gasoline, and even battery fires. 8 threats, 1 solution. Protect your phone, laptop, and kitchen, all with 1 spray. No toxic fumes, no sticky residue. Cleanup is a breeze. Eco-friendly formula keeps your family and pets safe. Ultra compact, fits in drawers, glove boxes, or boat lockers. Quick release bracket means it's always within reach. 6-year warranty, peace of mind every single day. Mount it anywhere, home, car, RV, or office. Be ready for emergencies, protect what matters most. Don't wait for disaster, choose smart, choose Boom. Get your 2-pack now, safety is just a spray away. Boom, fast, eco-safe, and always prepared. Order today. Number 3, Mart Cobra Emergency Fire Blanket. Ever worry about kitchen fires starting out of nowhere? I used to panic, scrambling for the old fire extinguisher. It was heavy, confusing, and left a huge mess every time. Then I found the Mart Cobra Emergency Fire Blanket. It's made from 100% fiberglass, super tough and flame retardant. No more mess, just pull it out, cover the flames, and you're done. This blanket is certified, withstands up to 1076 days, and is reusable. It's compact and lightweight, so I keep it right by the stove. Let me show you. Just pull the tabs, drape it over a fire. The flames are smothered instantly with 0 residue left behind. No chemicals, no irritants, totally safe for my family. It works in kitchens, cars, boats, even for small welding jobs. Designed in Texas, trusted by safety experts everywhere. Now I feel confident and prepared for any fire emergency. Don't wait for a scare, grab your Mart Cobra fire blanket today. Protect what matters most, quickly and easily. Number 2, First Alert Fire Extinguisher. Is your home or business truly prepared for a fire emergency? Imagine a kitchen mishap or office electrical spark. Are you ready? Meet the First Alert Home 2 Pro. Heavy duty all metal fire protection. UL rated 2A10BC, trusted for wood, liquid, and electrical fires. Commercial grade metal valve and trigger for reliable performance. Color-coded gauge shows at a glance if you're emergency ready. Metal pull pin and safety seal prevent accidental discharge. Rechargeable design, refill after use, save money, reduce wet. Includes secure wall bracket and strap for easy mounting. Waterproof, chemical-resistant label with clear, lasting instructions. Compact size fits standard fireboxes, always within reach. Fights fires from paper, trash, plastics, oil, and electronics. Ideal for homes, offices, workshops, anywhere safety matters. First Alert, trusted in home safety since 1958. Upgrade your fire safety. Protect what matters most. Act now. Equip your space with First Alert Home 2 Pro today. Number 1, Kidde Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. Think a fire emergency could never happen to you? I'm a certified fire safety consultant with over 10 years experience. Most home fires start in kitchens, garages, or near electronics. Many households lack the right extinguisher or have expired ones. That's why I recommend the Kidde multi-purpose fire extinguisher. It's UL listed and combats trash, wood, liquid, and electrical fires. Lightweight aluminum body means anyone can use it quickly. The easy-to-read pressure gauge shows you it's always ready. Simple pass method: pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. No confusion in crisis. Durable metal valve and handle ensure long-lasting reliability. Mount it anywhere with the included strap bracket for fast access. Real stories. Homeowners stopped kitchen fires before help arrived. No maintenance needed for 12 years. Just replace after use or 12 years. Protect your home, office, or dorm with this trusted 2-pack. Don't wait for an emergency. Equip every level of your home. Scan the QR code to register and get peace of mind today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.